What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the cars again. We actually are installing all the Christmas parts that we got. We got the downpipe going on the GTI, as you've seen in the thumbnail and title. We got the blow-off valve going on the WRX, and I think that's it.
Is that it?
I think that's it. Oh, and we got new filters for the WRX and the GTI to make sure that they're
filters.
Yep, make sure they're not all dusty and dirty anymore. They were getting kind of old. But we hope you enjoyed today's video. That's about it.
Wait, what about the giveaway for the subscribers?
Oh yes, that's true.
So from this video until next week's video, if you like and subscribe to our channel, we'll have a generated auto pick for a giveaway for one of our subscribers. It's gonna be going out at the beginning of our next video next week. So just make sure to like and subscribe. That's all you gotta do.
That's it.
And we'll figure out who's the winner.
Yeah, we want to give back to you guys to make sure you showing us love, we also show you guys love. So enjoy today's video. Peace. Three to a four. Two of them. Well, AutoZone, this is why we're getting sponsored by Advanced. Yeah. You're garbage.
And Slim Jim.
Slim Jim. See? AutoZone. Had to come here and get a 1 quart, but they had everything we needed. We got replacement filters, we got oil. We're ready to rock.
Cool, cool.
Oh, something just came out of it, dude.
Ugh.
Ugh.
How's it going?
Not bad.
Cool, cool.
About 3/4 of the way out.
Sweet, sweet. Hey, you still have your tag on?
I think it's that shit around.
Woo! There she goes.
Drop her down!
Oh my god.
I got this thing like Santa Claus right now, dude. Drop it out!
Woo! Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh, nice,
that's a
dude.
big difference
Not
compared
like
to the
oil.
new one.
A little bit easier.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Just a tiny easier. It's coming up right now. Alright, right there, that's all I need.
Holy fuck.
Super lamps on your hood. And then you have those, and then we need those 2 pipings that are out there too.
Oh, there.
And then I need the last 2 pieces of the exhaust.
Okay.
Right here, on this box. Still can't believe I'm installing this on your car before mine.
Ha
Just like that. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Both cars got all done up last night, but it got a little dark and chilly, so we didn't finish up what we were doing. So we got the official startups going now, making sure everything's gonna run good, and then we can take them out for a ride. You ready to hear this thing or what?
Woo. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Oh boy, I'm nervous. I guess it does sound good.
Well, it doesn't sound like there's any leaks, so I guess that's one good thing.
Listen to it. You hear a little Terpsky in there.
It's got a burble to it.
Yeah. Needs a wash.
Yeah, she needs to be cleaned.
Stay tuned for the wash. Man. Review's good?
That's my interpretation of the noise.
CTS check.
Yep, sponsor us. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Not bad. Made it out here by the river. Taking some rollers. Couple shots. Now that we got the whips all done up right. They look clean as hell. Sheesh. Look at the geese. Look at this, dude. We can be way out.
Oh, yo!
That one wiggles?
That's a log, dude.
Oh boy, that's a long jump.
You got that? Oh, shit!
Right here. Uh-huh.
Over here, dude. Look at the sand, bro.
We're with the geese. Sick. Can we make it over to that one? Oh yeah, this is cool as fuck, bro. We're gonna be out here in the middle.
Hey, yo. What's up?
Dude, I wish I could be them just chilling right now in the water.
Whole turf right now.
This is mad cool. Man, I love this spot. It's clean. Shaylee. Yo! You look mad cute. Can I get your number? Yeah, boy! Hell yeah. Out here in the little center of town. making sure the cars are fully dialed in, running good. We did throw a check engine light for the downpipe, but that was already a given. Once the Pro Tune comes, that check engine light will be gone. Yeah. For now though, these things are looking real good, running real good. We hope you all enjoy all these little rollers we got going on. Stopping at a couple spots to get a couple good shots, but shoot, they're looking real good. Now they're both finally cleaned up. Little maintenance done here and there. They're looking right. This little center is awesome though. Got this little fountain right here. It actually says there's a little letter right here that when all the horses were bringing people, everyone around, all around town, they were able to come here and get a drink. It's pretty cool. It comes straight from the mountains.
Yeah, you tell him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, hot. Woo! You know, you know.
Another long weekend down. At least we got the 2 whips down. We still got this one, that one, and Kyle's to go. But you know, at least we got 2 out of the 5 done. We're looking pretty good. And just remember, make sure you smash that like, comment, share, and subscribe button. And if you want to enter the damn giveaway, my boy got something to tell you.
You gotta subscribe, hit that like button, and watch that video next week. Make sure you stay tuned, because you could be one of them winners.
You could be the lucky guy to win the damn giveaway. We'll see y'all next week. Peace.